children, we were doing with chapter 5, the min pins, where you know now that min pins is the name of a forest where Billy went and he found there were huge trees inside which tiny people lived, and he was fascinated with the world that he had newly found. Now what happens here is little Billy sat staring at this extraordinary thing. He was amused to see this new world, that there were tiny shutter-like structures, there were tiny people coming out from the windows, appearing from everywhere, alright, and he found out that the trees were hollow, which had rooms built in them. There were rooms, there were staircases, blackboards, everything were there, and he found it fascinating. He watched intently as the tiny shutters of the tree bark opened wider and wider, and the bark of the tree opened wider and wider, and when they were fully open, they revealed a small squarish window. There was some sort of a yellow glow coming from deep inside the window, and that was the light glowing in the rooms of the min pins. And min pins was actually the community of the people living there, and they had occupied the entire forest, due to which the name of the forest went min pins. The very next thing little Billy saw was a tiny face at the window. It had appeared suddenly. So suddenly a small face appeared on the window from nowhere, and it was the face of an extremely old man with white hair. And an old man with white hair, he came out, and they were wearing hats and bonnets. What are bonnets? Bonnets are hats tied with thin string around your chin that you wear on your birthdays. Alright. It was the face of an extremely old man with white hair. Little Billy could see this clearly, despite the fact that the whole of the tiny man's head was no larger than a pea. So the head of the tiny man was as large as a pea. So you can now imagine how tiny that man was. This ancient miniature face, this old small face, was staring straight at little Billy with most serious expression on it. Now the tiny man was curious to see him. Who? Billy. The skin on the face was deeply wrinkled all over, and since he was old, his face was deeply wrinkled, but the eyes were bright as two stars, and his eyes were as bright as stars. And they were glowing, they were shiny bright. Now something even more peculiar, something even more strange happened. What happened? All around him, not only on the huge main trunk of the tree, but also on all big branches that grew out of it. Not only in the bark they lived, but in all the branches that grew out of the tree, these min pins lived. Other tiny windows were opening, and tiny faces were peeping out. So the rest of the windows were also opening, and more tiny faces were peeping out of the windows. Some of these faces belonged to men and others to women, and there were children too. Here and there the head of a child was seen peering over a window sill. So over the window sill, children were also peeping out. The heads of these children were no larger than the heads of the matchsticks. Now the head of a matchstick, you have seen that their heads were as small as those matchsticks. In the end, there must have been more than 20 small windows all around where little Billy was sitting, and from each window these faces were peering out. So children, we will keep this up till here, and we will keep continuing in our next class. This is yet another interesting story. You also please read the book at home. This story is very good. Please read it. Thank you.